Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, changing the wallpaper gives you the opportunity to express your creativity, interest, and personality through visual imagery. You can showcase your favorite photos, artworks, codes, or designs as the wallpaper, reflecting your individuality. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, to change the wallpaper on your device, begin by long pressing on your screen to access additional options. Okay, next, select Wallpapers and Style. Next, click on this option to browse through a selection of various wallpapers, including cute designs. Okay, and then select the wallpaper that suits your preferences. So, you will then have the option to set the wallpaper for the home screen, lock screen, or both. Once you have made your selections, click Next to proceed. Okay, finally click Done. And the new wallpaper will be successfully applied to your device. This process allows you to personalize the look of your device with a fresh and appealing wallpaper. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.